out to our tailing lab. Hello, my name is Michael. Welcome to Funfinity Studio, endless fun and infinite learning. Today, we're going to do something really fun today. Now, have you ever heard of bowling? Yes, it's just stacking up bottles and using the ball to knock them over. And it's really great when you knock them down all. But how can we make it indoors? Well, I'll show you. But first, we need these things. So, let's go, everybody! So, the two things we need are bottles, and I have 6, but you can put more bottles, and the ball. And these are the two things we need. Ready? Now, let's go and bowl! So, let's start by setting it up like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and lastly 6. And this ball, and we are done so fast. Now let's go and bowl. Let's go. First attempt. Not good enough. Too knocked down. Let's try again. Right, second attempt. Let's go. So, nothing knocked down. Oh, that is so bad. This is the last attempt. So, this is the last attempt. I hope it works. So, let's go. In 3, 2, 1, knock down. Wow! Yes! Strike! Well, you can create your own at home using bottles and a ball and do it for fun. Well, that's all. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos. I'll see you next time. Bye! So much fun.